Alright guys, welcome to another episode of CD Classics, where today I'm gonna be installing these new LED headlights that I got for the ramcharger. They are these right here. Okay. As you can see, I already started it, so stay tuned for the final results. Alright guys, this is how it's looking. I feel like these are much cleaner than these. Plus, they are that cheap plastic and then water got in through the seam. And they got all hazy and stuff. I'm gonna try to show you how I did this side. Be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to, hopefully you guys can see, I'm gonna show you how to do this side. Okay, so I gotta find the... Alright, so I found the connector here. So we gotta unplug it first. I didn't need to unplug the battery because the battery is dead. I haven't driven the vehicle in a long time. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do this. So we're gonna be removing these here first. I tried removing the ones that were in here first by pushing it down, and I scratched the other side because I wanted to get it done fast, but obviously that didn't work. So we're gonna do it the right way, because even though it takes a little longer to get these off, it was definitely a lot quicker. So here we go. All right, got that one. Two. Three. Four. And 5. Okay, so I got those off. Now, if you see these new ones here, are way bulkier than these. I don't know if you can see. So I had to use a longer screw. I know the alignment of the light's gonna be messed up, but I guess I'll adjust that once I get the battery back and running, and once I turn it on and see how they're doing. So right now I gotta remove these. There's 4 right here, and I'll show you in a second. We'll be right back. cold. Okay, let's see if I can do it with this on my head here. Okay, got this one this one right here. Does it go like this? Okay, we're gonna run this through here. Let's go like this. Okay. Yep, much bulkier. So let's see if I can get one in. Man, this is hard. Okay, let's see. All right, let's hold on right there. Okay, I'll be back with the finished product. All right. Okay, guys, so I finally got it installed. I'm charging the battery to check the aim once the sun goes down. What do you guys think? Is it a lot better? I'm probably gonna tint these black and that black as well with a matte finish. I think it made a difference for sure. All right, guys, stay tuned to see how these light up. All right. Okay, it's not as dark yet, but let me just show you. Let me quickly just show you how they look. Of course, once it gets dark, I'm gonna show you guys how it really looks in the dark. I'm assuming they're pointing the right way. It's supposed to be the low beam. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be here. Okay. But we'll check them out once it gets dark. All right, so it got much darker. Let's see how they look right about now. Yeah, they look cool. But then again, like I said, I don't know if I had those backwards. Maybe someone could leave a comment and see if I have to flip them around. Or is that where the low beam's supposed to go? Because I believe this is the high beam. Look at that. Looks dope. Stay tuned for once I get the battery charged up, I'm gonna drive it, of course, at night and see how those look. Man, I'm loving them. My Xterra right there. Beautiful view of the Bay Area. Probably see the water over there. Anyhow, once again, remember CD Classics. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I got more content coming soon. Let's see. Drop it down a little bit. See how it looks from the see the high beams. Yeah, see, I don't know if they're supposed to be backwards. You guys let me know. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember, CD Classics. Share, like, subscribe to the channel. And I'll be bringing you guys more content here soon. Peace.